Today, the Hillsborough County State Attorney's Office announced they've convicted their 300th child predator in the last 5 years.
Our Eric Waxler shows us what's being done to find justice for children.
Prosecutors say James Walther never showed any remorse during his trial. And today, a judge in Hillsborough County sentenced him to 35 years in prison for raping a 14-year-old family member.
He pulled her into his bedroom and forced himself on her. In another incident, he attacked her as she was watching TV.
State Attorney Andrew Warren says the victim was afraid to report the crimes because she would have then had nowhere to live. But 4 years later, she did come forward with the trauma still fresh.
Even the movie scene that was playing on TV during one of the attacks is burned into her mind.
Warren says Walther is one of about 300 child predators his office helped convict in the last 5 years after a reorganization of the Special Victims Unit.
What do we do about this problem in society? We prosecute people. We prosecute people who pose a threat to our children. We do it relentlessly, and we get long prison sentences. That's what these men and women do every single day.
Prosecuting cases like this are not easy. Children are often reluctant to come forward, and if they do, then they have to relive the trauma that they went through in court.
It's hard for someone who's so young, who's gone through something so traumatic that no one should ever have to go through, to come into a foreign environment, talk about it with strangers, then have to go in a public courtroom and testify about it.
To help kids during the process, the SVU office has a children's room, a place to comfort those who are victims of sex crimes. The room actually got a makeover from a former victim who is now a Girl Scout and wanted to give back to others going through the same things she did. In Tampa, Eric Waxler, ABC Action News.